Okay, that's upside down. What the fuck? Okay. Everyone, and welcome to... Oh, hello! Don't mind the bread. Yeah, welcome to fucking Wholesome Cats. A game about politicians. Don't mind the bread. Welcome to the Half Moon Island on Island of Wholesome Cats. Here's one. Now you can adopt a cat from a shop. Okay. Random cat. That's pretty random. Did you see that? Swats of dust bunnies. Yeah, that's pretty random. Right. Yeah, let's explore. Add your cat to your team. Yay, now you team, you can explore Half Moon Island and rescue us from our past. Okay. Please. The abuse. I can't sleep anymore. Add to the trauma of the memories. Here, there's fish. Yeah, okay. Let's explore. Let's enter. Hello! Hello, young cats. I've never seen you before. That's a different cat, Gwyd. I've never seen you before. Are you new here? Yep, we just moved in. Much like I'm about to move in on your dad. Grabs his ass aggressively. Oh hell! Well, welcome to Half Moon Island. The island is full of all of a kind and energetic cats. The cats love to play fight. Speaking of try that again. Speaking of, I got so distracted with the voice that I forgot to read the dialogue properly. Speaking of, want to play with us? I'm back here to help you try out the fight. I guess. Select your target, the old man. What? I attacked the old man. Nice fight. An act can help you win. Good luck. Boop. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Boop's back. Oh yeah. Brown lack. Lack. Oh my god, what is going on in my brain? Brown cat looks kinder towards grey cat after their boop. Yo, you're about to get fucked up, old man. Yeah, I'm gonna fucking kill you. Yeah, fucker. I'm taking you out. Yay, I had fun. I should warn you. Hush, don't scare away the new cats. I've got to go nap now, but I'm sure you'll fit right in on the island. Alright. So can I go? Aha! Who are you? My name is Persian. You're the new cats I've heard about. You're a cute little thing, aren't you? Where did my brain go there? Tell me what? The history of the island. They used to call it Catstein's Island. I guess not. You'll find out soon. You'll find out why there's gloom all over the cats. Why we're lonelier than before. Oh no! How can I cheer you up? Wanna play? I think I'd like that. Fight. Nice. Boop's nose. Boop's back. Oh, you just want to fight, do ya? Fuck you. We're done. No cat seems happy anymore. Right, what can I fucking... Mr. Young Cat. It's time I tell you the island's history. Us cats used to be less sad, you know. Really? We may look happy, but we're haunted by the past. Let me tell you a story. When I was a young boy, my father, he took me into the city to see a marching band. Many moons ago, there were 3 types of cats. Life cats, man-made cats, and earth cats. We all lived in harmony. But the man-made cats got greedy for power. They fought and drove out the life cats from Half Moon Island. No one's seen any life since. I don't want to think about the past anymore. Let's play! I'm fighting them both. You fucked with the wrong person, old man. Just beating up the old guy. Don't even worry about it. Oh, you want some? You know who you're fucking with? Many a cat has searched for where life cats went but failed. Hey, maybe you can succeed. Me? That's a great idea, Dr. Blem. The cat seems strong and determined. And no one knows who they are. They could find and convince the life cats to come back. What do you think? I'll try my best to bring them back and reunite catkind. How am I still not deeper into the world, man? Are you Who is this? Are you leaving the house? Old man Marvin told us you're going on an adventure. It's dangerous out there. Yep, I'm off on a journey. Thank you, Mew, for worrying. What was this, dumbass? Oh wait, Bread Cat was the one with the voice that I'm doing for the grey cat on the on the left. Damn it! I trust you know what you're doing, but be careful. Let's have one last battle. Make sure you're ready for the outside world. Bro, I'm fucking dying here. I'm not ready for this. Dude, I'm really fucking up. Why am I fighting all of them? I'm not some fucking OP anime character who's really well written. What the Yo. Did I do well? Can I end? Dude! Did I fail? What happened? Flee. You fled successfully. Alright, let's go deeper. Do I seriously need to fight these cats? Are you leaving the house? Old man Marvin told us you're going on an adventure. Uh-huh, yeah. Yeah. Let's fight. You. Why am I fighting you? I didn't want to fight you. You're overpowered. I don't like you. That's right, back off. You have no idea who you're fucking dealing with. Yo, boop it. Oh, fuck you. I thought we were developing some sort of trust. Dude, what the hell? How am I supposed to win this? Who do you think I am? Yes, fucking... What? Oh my god, I'm having a moment. Yeah, house leave. Yeah. Whoa, you're going somewhere? That's crazy. Yep, I'm off. But I'm not. Alright, let's go. You're up against me now. Dude, I'm getting gang bashed here. This isn't fair. Please, oh my god, let me beat the old man. You're ready. We see many cats come and go in search of life cats. Almost lost hope, but you seem different. I believe in you. Well, thanks, old man Marvin. I'll try to succeed. Don't forget about us. Visit us after you get rich and famous. Your friends don't want you to go out alone. Let one join you. I don't know, what was the fucking... Which one's which? I don't know these characters. Who are they? The bread one. The bread one's overpowered. Let me take the bread one. So there's Old Man Marvin. I definitely don't want him. Scottish Fold. Bread, I guess. Yes. Alright, let's enter. Dude, how do I leave? Yes, alright, fucking finally. God damn. What? Fight. Didn't I just escape? Die. Continue. Bread interrupts your journey. Bread! I don't want to fight you, man. Just let me get to the city, man. I want you on my side. Why is this happening to me? I don't stand a chance. Yeah, continue. I won't let anyone else to beat me, not this time. Flee. Yeah, let's go. Am I there yet? Dude. Let me go. Just let me go. Yo, finally. Yes, Tabby Cat interrupts your journey. Right, I think I'm done, man. I got to the city. This is an achievement for me. Smash subscribe, watch your videos.